Hey guys, for this video, I'm going to be showing you how to create Reels. First thing you need to do is open your Instagram app and go to Reels. Once you're in your Reels, you can click on Reel and create one. You can start adding videos. Once you're done selecting and adding the videos, you can start editing these. And you can see the buttons on the upper right corner. You can add filters to your Reels. And in this part, you can also add sticker for your reels as well. In here, you can also add text for your reels. And lastly, you can also add music to your reels. Once you're done adding the filters, adding texts and music, you can click next. And in this part, you can also select a cover video of your reel. And in this part, you can also add captions for your reels. And once you're done, you can click share. And that's it. That's how easy to make Instagram reels. I hope this video helped you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, click on the notification button for more tutorials. Thanks for watching.